Fall off, fall out, and fall over are similar expressions that often confuse students. In this video, I'll show you the difference between them and exactly when to use them in sentences, okay? We use fall off when referring to something falling from a surface. So if something falls from a chair, a table, or anything that has a surface, use fall off. Use fall out when something falls from inside. So if something is inside and falls, you use fall out. Use fall over when you are talking about a person, an object, or anything that loses balance. So when a person loses balance and tips to one side, we use fall over. That means it is used when something collapses. To know exactly when to use them in sentences, let's answer these questions. 1. The baby tried to walk, but blank. Here we're talking about a baby lost balance. And what happened? She fell over. 2. My phone blanked my hand while I was running. My hand here has a surface. So my phone fell off my hand. When something falls from a surface, what do we use? Fall off. And this is past action, so we used fell off. 3. The books blanked the bag as I opened it. This is the key word, bag. Bag has an inside. So what is the right expression to use? Fall out, for something falling from inside. The books fell out, past tense. Fell out of the bag as I opened it. Whenever you use fall out, ensure you add the preposition of. Okay, the books fell out of the bag as I opened it. 4. The old tree blank during the storm. We are talking about storm. That means the tree collapsed due to the wind. So the expression is fall over. The old tree fell over, past tense, during the storm. 5. He blanked the bicycle yesterday. Here we are talking about something that has a surface. So the right expression to use is fall off. He fell off, past tense. He fell off the bicycle yesterday. 6. Some coins blank my pocket. We have pocket here, and pocket has inside. So the right expression to use is fall out. Some coins fell out. Remember the preposition of. Some coins fell out of my pocket. 7. She almost blanked but caught herself. Here we are talking about a person losing balance. So here she lost balance. Almost. She almost fell over but caught herself. 8. The picture blanked the wall. We have wall here, and wall has a surface. So what's the right expression for something that has a surface? Fall off. The picture fell off, past tense. The picture fell off the wall. 9. His glasses blank his face. Face is a surface. What's the right word when something falls from a surface? We use fall off. His glasses fell off. His glasses fell off his face. 10. The child blank the chair. Here we are talking about chair, and chair has a surface. So what's the right expression? Fell off. The child fell off the chair. 11. My keys blank my bag without me noticing. Here we are talking about my bag. A bag has inside. So the right expression for something that has inside is fall out. My keys fell out of my bag without me noticing. 12. The drunk man blank in the street. Here the sentence talks about a drunk man who loses balance. So here he lost balance. The right expression is fell over. The drunk man fell over in the street. 13. Some papers blank the file when it dropped. Here we are talking about the file. A file has inside where paper can stay. What's the right expression to use for something that has inside? Fallout. Remember the preposition of whenever you use fallout. Some papers fell. Some papers fell out of the file when it dropped. 14. The bottle blank the table. This is the last question here, and I'll leave it for you to answer to be sure that you actually understood the lesson. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a like and watch out for my next grammar lesson.